Hi. So, to make homemade lasagna, well, it's sort of kind of like a cheating way. I make a big giant pot of meat sauce with some tomato sauces. That's one of your favorites. Obnoxious amount of mozzarella, shredded, pecorino romano, fresh mozzarella, nice and sliced up, parsley. I cheat and use the oven-ready lasagna layers, and everybody in an Italian home would be very upset with me. And a big giant tub of ricotta cheese. So the assembly line is all set up, and then you're ready to go. Okay. So here we go. Sprinkle some garlic. Ta-da! And then I'm going to sprinkle some Italian seasoning. And Mom is always talking in the background. Ta-da! A little bit here and a little bit there. And then the last layer, I'm gonna put them up here. So this is how they look at the end. You got the last layer with the beef sauce and some shredded mozzarella and fresh mozzarella on top, and sprinkle that with fresh parsley and a little bit more Parmesan Reggiano. And then you're going to remove the cover, because these covers are going to be on there, and then replace it with foil. Bake it in the oven at 375 degrees for 40 minutes. And then you take the foil off. If you want to put more cheese on top, you can, and bake it for another 5 minutes to melt the cheese. And then wait for 15 minutes before serving, because if you don't, it just becomes a big giant goop of whateverness. Okay, hugs, bye.